Alright. I'm in Zimbabwe right now, and we're actually looking at part of the social scene in Zimbabwe. And the young guys who are trying to break it into the music scene, and they've actually been shooting a video. One of the joints, is actually singing.
How you doing over there? Yeah, I'm doing music in film.
Alright.
Yeah, my album, I'm planning to make my album. And this is one of the songs.
Alright, what is it called? What is it all about?
This song is called Chimboni Tamira.
Okay.
It's all about
what does it Chimboni Tamira?
Tamira means dance for me.
Alright,
dance for me, yeah.
So can you dance for us then?
I cannot exactly dance, but I can sing. Yeah.
Sing for us.
Chimboni Tamira.
That sounds pretty tight. How long have you been doing this?
Since I started knowing how to speak.
And these are your homies?
Oh, these are my homies.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
man.
How has it been going? You're chilling out here and having a good time?
Yeah, man. We have fun in town, yeah.
Okay. So what do you do yourself?
We have a dance.
Okay. Yeah. Can you show us a bit of What's the name?
Shelter. What's your friend?
Your friend to and I've actually seen you do something that's really good for us. So we're trying to explore the social scene. It's quite explore just a little bit so that the people in Belfast representing. So from Stranmillis Road straight to Jensen Moyo Avenue, Zimbabwe.
Yeah, man.
Big time. So can you do your stuff? Help it. These guys are actually shooting their videos in Zimbabwe. CD called Chamembe Plus, and number one is actually 15 on that CD, and it actually makes my day when I'm in Belfast and I'm tired from reading my books, and I get on to listen to a bit of number one, the rest of these guys, which is really cool. So, thank you very much, guys.
Skupani. Hola.
Just